Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by equipping the Panda cosmetic and selecting a weapon that complements mobility. You want to move fast and look distinct. Once done, pick a mid-range SMG or assault rifle so the Panda's evasion playstyle works. Make sure your sensitivity sits around 30 to 35% for general aim, with ADS at 55 to 60% for reliable tracking. This balance reduces overcorrection. Finally, bind quick-use items to easy keys so you don't fumble while performing Panda. Once you land, prioritize positioning that lets Panda shine. Use cover and short peaks of half a second to 1 second to invite enemy fire and then punish. You should alternate strafes, crouch, and a quick dash to disrupt aim, because the unpredictability forces missed shots. Make sure to call flanks and timers to your team. Coordinating a crossfire converts those momentary openings into kills. Keep movement varied, don't be linear, and adjust aggression after you secure initial shots. You finish fights by tightening fire discipline, use short controlled bursts, and switch to pistol for ultra-close encounters because it's faster to aim. Once combat ends, retreat behind cover and heal. Apply a half medkit first for immediate health, then top with energy if the fight could resume. If performance or animation glitches block moves, reset by returning to lobby and relaunching. That clears temporary state. One key troubleshooting tip: if inputs lag, check background apps and, if necessary, relog to restore normal responsiveness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.